I play with you, man.
Hey, go ahead and stop going to police now, man. Say speak every morning, say speak.
Interfere with me. I have to walk and go on jam. And I walk, go down far distance. I will me take it.
Watch out, you see it? You see it? You see how you stay? You drop down. You see how you're wicked? Ain't you know want pull down the people them something? You see how you see if you're a big woman or you drop down? Eh? You see if you're a big woman where you make happen to you? This is Japan king over in the yard. Leave the people them something more them cook and what I do to your tree? Eh? It's all white woman more time. When I say young people no love and I wanna fuck around young people. Where you pop down the people them sitting for? It a chovio?
That jam cut on the cheek.
Jump again.
That jam cut on the cheek.
Big woman drop off of the stool just to show and cut down the people them chop all in where them fry them like a chicken back a wait name there. Eh?
And this damn thing must move from here. But I want to get knife inside. I want knife inside. Yeah.
See you in the easy.
Everybody had everything happy. Would it make me happy with the civil? No one nothing feel no over me.
Everything.
Nothing feel no over me.
Yeah.
And if you don't cut it down inside, don't cut it down for the police, not cut it down.
Police nah cut down that. Police have time for come around after that. You think police have time for come around after that?
You see how far you left from me? You see how far you left from?
How far? How far? I see you where we live in. Right around this side now. How far? We take bus come here. We take plane come here. How far we come from?
I know your yard gate this side.
But this is not the yard gate neither. And I rode it there now. And you have to chop down your tree and take it out of the road. I chop the people have to chop off the tree out of the road. So where you come over here? Where you come out in the road come travel it for? You can't tell me that. I'm one big man. You can't tell me that. Take me your child. You take your picture and put it on Facebook. All when you drop.
And I'm going to call the police right away.
Call them and tell them say we are murder fire around here. Because so no wicked and stay for all people. Tell them say see we with gun around here. How much shot? Regular you do it, man. You see I'll come out with last and rush the youth. I should all video the part there and make police come lock her up. You see the big woman drop like while I can't believe. See a but the man might come back, come tight up. Leave her, man. She not have nothing for doing, you know. Nothing she not have for doing her early morning, yeah. More than for come entertain me. Watch it chop all in. Where people them cover and fry them chicken back. It not travel her, you know. Upon the tree then tight. And the tree now have no mango. Now do nothing to her. But I saw some old people stay. Yeah, man. Then she said the youth them no love her. When I she no love the people them.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, boy. I said leave me alone. All right.
Cut it, man. Climb up and cut it.
Climb up and cut. She drop again. Me I want video her again.
No, stand up, make sure fix it here.
Me drop, but me boy no broke.
We never glad to see a job as an elder, but through you there, I give yourself trouble for no reason at all. We have to laugh when we see them thing there.
Yeah.
Stay up, the woman chop all and she have to go buy it back, you know.
Hook it out.
What's up? How are you in I advise that?
Hook it out. Take out the hook.
It tie up, she can't get it out. If she tie up, if she turn up again, she get a job.
In it. Same way.
Mango she a pick.
Yeah, same way and push it out and it come on. Same way push it. And take it out. Come and take it out.
Boy, go with your eyes.
Can't lick him down. Put it back on the floor. Put it on the floor. Run, guy.
See, try where I put it up there. Put this on the
Where me happy?
See him put it up there so I run and hide.
1-3 man. That good.
Now we can drop on the big one.
Go on. I'm going to tell police about you. You criminal. You
I alone live somewhere, man. I alone live somewhere. What criminal and thief? Every police know me a hard-working citizen.
Yeah.
I don't live by that.
You live by that.
You want a man in the yard, man. That you need. You live too lonely all by yourself for so much years.
So much years.
So much years.
And I'm going to report you to police.
Report me.
In a yard.
Yeah.
Show it last.
Yeah. What we have provoke you with, dog?
And jump off of the chair.
We not.
We not run. What we have? We not move. We not move. Come I don't know if you think we're afraid of police. It's in the wrong door there, sir. You can't check we, man. Fling a one bolt off him. It's how she bad people for your whole man. It's how she bad. Bad granny. Eh? Remember we see up on video fling stone off for the man, you know. Man, I broke your house with you in there. Eh? In a broad daylight. Are you not blind? What a wicked granny. Man. Oh, I wish you fling little while. Oh, be a woman. You be a can't catch you with a God pitney.
Yeah, woman, yeah. I watched it a while ago.
You know what? I pour that shit through, man.
Pour that shit through. This is...
Sorry, whatever that video little while.
How that down? Stick.